Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Tuesday, April 18th, 2017. It's currently 9 a.m. It is absolutely beautiful out there. Sure, it's going to be cooler than what we've been experiencing for the past couple of days, but pretty much we're back to where we should be for this time of year, with temperatures ranging this afternoon from the upper 50s to lower 60s along the immediate coast, lower to mid 60s everywhere else, with low humidity, clear skies, and a nice northerly wind around 5 to 15 miles per hour. Those winds will veer to the northeast as we move on through the day, and to the east by the time we get to tonight as high pressure passes to the north of the region. As you can see on the surface map, high pressure is in control, but we do have an area of low pressure off to our west here in the plains. This low pressure system will be approaching by tomorrow evening, with this warm front initially producing a few scattered showers. Once this warm front moves north, though, the end of the week is going to be, well, summer-like once again, with temperatures ranging from the upper 60s to mid-70s throughout the region, followed by another area of low pressure producing some more showers. So it's going to be an unsettled week, but overall warm for the most part. The weekend, though, looks a bit unsettled and could produce some pretty significant rainfall for the region, especially on Sunday night into Monday. We'll have to watch that area of low pressure very carefully. On the radar, not much going on, pretty much hot and dry. And on the infrared satellite picture, you can see the high pressure system pushing south, and as such, forcing this cloud area to sink south as well. Here's our low pressure to the west. Now notice the majority of the lifting. I've been trying to train you to watch the cloud tops. Where are the coldest cloud tops developing? And you can see the trend here of the coldest cloud tops, and thus the strongest lifting, focusing towards the Great Lakes and basically tracking to the north of the region. Now, we'll watch this very carefully, but it looks like the best lifting and dynamics with this low pressure system will be to the north of the northern mid-Atlantic. So as a result, the showers that are expected to be impacted from this low pressure system tomorrow evening on through Friday would be generally light in nature, with rainfall amounts below a half an inch throughout the region. So let's dive into the forecast here. For this afternoon, sky cloud cover is expected. Look for temperatures to range from the upper 50s to lower 60s along the immediate coast, lower to mid 60s everywhere else. Tonight, high pressure will start to exit the region. Look for some increase in clouds, but also winds veering to the east and southeast around 5 to 15 miles per hour, increasing to 10 to 20 miles per hour towards tomorrow morning, with low temperatures in the upper 30s to lower 40s over the interior and lower to mid 40s along the coast. For tomorrow afternoon, clouds will continue to increase with showers developing towards evening. These showers will be widely scattered and generally light in nature. Temperatures will range from the upper 50s to lower 60s for highs. For Thursday, the warm front will be well north of the region, still a threat for some widely scattered isolated showers, but no real heavy downpours. The heaviest rainfall is going to be focused well to the west over the eastern and central Great Lakes. Temperatures will warm very nicely. Look for lows in the upper 40s to lower 50s, highs in the upper 60s to lower 70s. On Friday, the area of low pressure associated with this warm front will approach the region with a cold front. Again, notice the low pressure system will be tracking to the north of the region, so look for just some scattered showers, possibly an isolated thunderstorm mixed in there. Temperatures on Friday will range from the mid to upper 50s for lows and lower to mid 70s for highs, upper 60s to lower 70s along the immediate coast. On Saturday, high pressure will be in control with clearing skies, generally comfortable weather conditions. Look for lows in the mid 40s, highs in the lower to mid 60s. This area of low pressure will have to be watched very carefully. Currently, there is some disagreement in the guidance as far as whether this low pressure system and the upper level low associated with it will cut off down towards, let's say, South Carolina and North Carolina, or more towards Virginia. The further north this low pressure system is, the more rainfall we can expect as far as an impact. So on Sunday, look for increasing clouds with rain developing towards evening. Temperatures on Sunday will range from the mid 40s for lows and lower to mid 50s for highs. Those lower to mid 50s can be expected because notice the high pressure system here and low pressure system here, the difference between the two leads to an onshore flow, an easterly wind, and that's going to bring in a marine air mass, and that's why it's going to be cooler on Sunday. On Monday, that area of low pressure will pass through the region. As you can see, we have multiple areas of low pressure showing up on the map here. In reality, what this is really a situation is there's some disagreement in the guidance, and so we're kind of covering our bases here. But essentially, you have a rather disorganized low pressure system. You have one upper level low sitting right around here, okay? And then you have surface reflections as a result, and then a cold front with the polar jet stream associated through the eastern Great Lakes. So as a result, there will be showers. The question is whether or not we'll have heavy rainfall associated with this low pressure system. If we do, well, the potential is certainly there for some localized flash flooding, so we'll watch that very carefully. Temperatures on Monday will range from the mid-40s for lows and lower to mid-50s for highs. On Tuesday, all this starts to clear out with some lingering showers in the morning, followed by clearing skies in the afternoon and evening. Temperatures will range from the lower to mid-40s for lows and upper 50s to lower 60s for highs. That is your forecast discussion for today. Thank you for following NY and JPA weather. And as always, stay safe out there.